In this video, I'm going to walk you through the application step by step and tell you how you can use this application. So when you log in or sign up, this is the first thing you will see. This is the home page of the application, and the main dashboard of the application is this monitor tab. This is a blank canvas where you will have all your positions that you will monitor. So this application provides an interface for you to manage your short options positions. Short option positions are the positions that you sell to another trader or another market participant. And these positions can be part of a spread, for example, an iron condor or a credit spread, vertical spread, or they can be naked short positions. If all these concepts found very foreign to you and you're a very beginner, then I will encourage you to go to the help section and then go to the trainings and see and watch all these training videos. And I have given all the credits here to the creators of these videos. You can go to their channel, and then you can watch even more videos and get yourself familiarized with the concepts on this application. So let's quickly get started with how to add positions, how to remove positions, close positions, or how to roll positions. So what you would do is you will see a dummy position added here. SPY is an ETF, and this is just a dummy position which you can go ahead and close once you get in the application. So this is how you will close a position. It will ask you to go ahead and refresh, and it will get rid of the position. So this is where you will start to open a trade. You will select an account. Now if you see here, these accounts have dummy data here. So I will encourage, the first thing you should do when you get on this application is to go ahead and rename these accounts. So you can add up to 3 accounts to this application, 3 accounts that you want to monitor, right? If you don't have 3 accounts, you just have 1 account, you can just skip naming any one of them. So for example, let's say you have a Fidelity account, let's say you have a Robinhood account, and let's assume that those are the only accounts you have. We can maybe call this NA, and we save that. And then what will happen is it's going to assign a color to each of your accounts. So now next thing what you should do is you should go ahead and put in a trade or a position. So let's say we want to put in a long stock position. So long stock positions are available to be added to this application. They only allow you to just monitor the dividend payments, so here you can add long stock positions. So for example, let's just say that we add a few shares of SPY. Right now SPY is at 366, so let's say we purchased it at 365, and then it will prompt you to refresh your page so that it can populate the dividend data. So now what it is telling you is that the dividend for SPY is 1.74%. This will be paid to you on December 20th, and the total amount that will be paid will be $26.78. On December 20th, this amount will be directly added automatically to your monthly progress charts here. Currently they are completely empty because you don't have any data. Now let's go to the crux of this application, which is adding options positions and monitoring short options position. So let's quickly add, let's say on our Robinhood account we add an iron condor. Let's say we again do it in SPY. Let's say we have let's take 5 contracts, collateral 500, and let's say we are expiring on the 3rd Friday of the month, which is the usual monthly expiration cycle. Let's say this has a short call. So here you will add your short positions, because this application provides you a way to monitor visually your short positions. So these are your short positions. You will not enter your long buy positions, and then you enter your premium. Let's say it's $78, just a random number. This has added your position. Again, it's prompting you to refresh, Then once you refresh, this position will be shown here. Now you can add another position. Let's say we want to add another position in Fidelity, and you want to add another iron condor, let's say in QQQ. Let's say we just want 2 contracts now. Let's say our collateral this time is 300. Let's just say 18th December again, and the call side, let's assume 340. I don't remember what QQQ is trading on today, but let's just say that 98. And then if you refresh again, it's going to bring you another populate your another position. Now that you have positions, now you can see and monitor these positions, and it is telling you that your 340 short call position is 12% away from your current price. And it is telling you how much, when is the expiry. It's telling you the collateral for that position. On top here, it's telling you collateral for all the positions. So let's add another SPY position. Let's say we want to add another SPY position. This time we'll enter, let's say, 3 contracts. Collateral, let's just keep it at 5, or let's change it to 300. And again we'll enter same, let's put in another expiry. Let's say we put another expiry. Let's say our call side this time is 400, and our put side is 320. Premium, just a random number. And then now what you will see is, what's interesting is, so one thing is that you will be able to monitor how much collateral you have in a certain ticker. And you can also monitor how much collateral you have per cycle, per expiry. So on 18th December, all the positions expiring on 18th December, you have 3100, whereas on 25th December, you have 1500. And another thing you will observe here is that it will start to populate how much money you're expecting to make this month. So on this month, you're expected to make $787. This does not include the dividend amount, which is also going to be added. Now let's see how we can close positions. So to close a long stock position, you simply go here and tell, let's say you want to close 10 stock positions. So you say close trade. Again, we refresh, and you will see that now it has changed from 20 shares to 10 shares, and it also updates your cost basis. That's how you close a long stock position. Now let's see how we can close or roll a short position, our options position. So let's say we want to roll one of these positions. So it's going to populate all the data for your position. And let's say we just want to roll 2 positions. So this is going to close 2 positions and open 2 more positions. You can even open more than 2 if you so choose. Then you provide it with the collateral per contract. So this is per contract. Let's say we want to keep the expiry the same. Let's say we want to change the short positions, the strike prices. Let's say we want to change this to this. Then we say how much did we sell our position for. Let's assume we sold it for 43, and let's assume we had a premium here of $89. Verify that we entered valid information, then we execute that, and again. So after refreshing, you'll see that your position will be added here. If you see carefully, your $1,000 collateral for 2 contracts of 390 called short call and 330 short put. And then you can also go ahead, and so that's how you will roll your position. You can also go ahead and close position. So let's say we want to close this position. Another peculiar thing that I should point out is if you go here, you will see that it starts to populate how much money you have realized. So this is your expected amount. Now you close some positions, and you made a profit on it. So now you have some realized money that actually you have made. Right, so that is going to start to populate, and it's going to slowly increment, and you can track on a monthly basis. Then let's say we want to close a position. Let's say we want to close this position. Let's say we want to close this for $56, and we want to close one of these three contracts. You can also close all three. Let's verify and close this position. And yeah, so it reduced, it should have. And then if you go here, it was $70 before, now you have realized $92. So that's how this would work. So this, you don't have any control over how this will be pre-populated by itself. This is your historical data that you can track for every account. So maybe you have a retirement account and so on. So let's say we want to add a value for today. Let's say we want to add $450, $340, $43, just random numbers. We can add a position here. We can add some values here. This doesn't look right, but yeah, so there you go. And then you can also edit some of these values. So let's say then we can refresh this, and you will see for fidelity now it will be 440, 51, and so on. So these are some of the things that you can go ahead and do here. And finally, what I want to talk about is the search function. So this is pretty neat. What you can do here is you can search other users. So for example, you can go ahead and search for me. I also use this application quite a lot, and you can see all the positions that I currently have open, and maybe you want to copy my positions and go ahead put up these positions, if that's what you like to do. And finally, I like to show you the help section here. This is the section where you can go ahead and get your frequently asked questions. You can watch training videos. I provide, like I said in the beginning, I provide credits where you can go to the source and watch even more videos. So pretty good resource for you guys, and hopefully you can use it and gain more knowledge on it. You can jump back and forth as you like. All right, so that's about it. Hopefully you can make good use of this. If you do use it, do hit me up and tell me how it is going, and also if you find any bugs or any issues with the website, please go ahead and report it for me so that I am aware and I can fix those issues. I'm going to keep adding new features to this application to make it more useful for you guys. I really appreciate you listening in. Thank you for watching, and have a great day. Thank you.